how to create scrolling text in Canva. So if you want to create scrolling text in Canva, then first open up your Canva application, or you can go with your browser. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the video option. So simply click on the video and choose the template. So I'll be choosing a simple video. Once you're here with the design, now what you need to do is, if you want to add a scrolling text or create a scrolling text, then first you need to have the text, right? So to insert the text, you need to go with the text option, which is here on the left side. So for example, I'll be choosing a text from here. And once you've chosen the text, now you can simply remove the text and you can add another one, but I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, now you need to resize your text. So once you've resized, now you can simply select the text and you can, for example, if you want the scrolling text from left to right, if you want to scroll your text from left to right, then first choose the first position, which is left. So just keep it to the left, and then you need to go with your page one and go with the upper right of that page, which has that three dots, and go with duplicate page. Once you go with duplicate page, now select the second page and you need to choose the text from left to the right. And after that, you just need to simply go with the middle of that two pages and click on add transition. And once you click on add transition, now you just need to simply go with match and move transition. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you can simply select the duration or the seconds. And after that, you can simply play the video. And once you've played the video, now you will get the transition. So that's how you can create scrolling text in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.